Biologics aren't equal. Cellgenic is science, safety, and support. Cellgenic develops regenerative medicine products, exosomes, peptides, and cellular therapies, built to help physicians integrate evidence-guided protocols into daily practice. Manufactured in GMP-grade environments with traceable sourcing. Never amniotic fluid. Wharton's jelly where applicable, and verified lot by lot. Each batch undergoes nanoparticle tracking analysis for size and count, sterility and endotoxin testing, and exosomal marker verification, C-D63, C-D81, documented in a lot-specific certificate of analysis. Beyond the vial, you get what makes adoption safe and consistent. Protocols by specialty, cold chain guidance and prep times, documentation templates, and onboarding for your team. Post-sale technical support when you need it. Verify before you integrate. Request your lot COA and a protocol demo for your specialty.